Hi guys, welcome to Money Theory. Today I'm going to pick some tangerines, so I thought it'd be a good analogy for investing. They say the best time to invest or plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. So there's a lot of similarities between gardening and investing. There is the important thing about patience and also to create a system to minimize any damages and to leave nature to do its work. So let's make some comparisons. The investments you make can be in varieties. It can be large companies or small companies. Likewise, the plants you grow can vary from large trees to small herbs. Fruits are like the dividends. It is stuff that you can eat and the tree continues to grow. Meanwhile, in investing, dividends are a profit that the company gives to the investors. You will continue to maintain the stock, meanwhile you also get some cash on the side. If you want to grow something large like a tree, it'll take a lot of time. You may start from a seed and you'll see small growths as it goes into a small seedling and to a small tree. Then over time, it grows into a larger tree. When you're investing, you'll have a very small sum of money, and over time it compounds to create a large portfolio in the future. For the most part, the tree will grow on its own passively, and you only have to monitor once in a while to make sure that the soil, the fertilizer, and the water is okay, and to make sure that the sprinkler systems are still working. Likewise, with investments, for the most part you can let it go and grow on its own, and to periodically monitor it. But it's important to make sure that the system is set up with a strong foundation. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed our video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to support our channel, you can check out our Patreon. Also check out our other YouTube channel and Instagram. Thanks for watching.